Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export a photo from the Photos application to your Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the Photos application, and the photo we are going to export. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, click on Launchpad, go to Photos, and then make sure we have a photo that has been imported to Photos. Double click the photo, right click the photo, or we can go to File, Export One Photo, photo kind, change to JPEG, PNG, choose a file name, subfolder format, export, and then choose the location. In this case will be the desktop. Export, and now the photo has been exported. We can minimize photos for the moment, go to the photo on the desktop, double click, and now we see the photo that was in Photos now exported to the desktop on this computer. Quit preview, go back to Photos, quit Photos. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.